Lego City.
Lego City passenger plane. I want to share it with all of you.
So are we going to get unbox this now, Jay?
Now let's unbox this.
This is Zayan has been waiting for this gift from how long?
From many years.
Many years.
I ordered it when I was 4. Now I'm 5.
Oh, that's don't lie.
And these are
So let's open it. What all things? These are the parts.
these are the parts.
Can you show one by one?
Look here, give us happened on this one, right?
Wow.
And these are the packs.
Yes.
Yeah.
They have given numbers on the packs also, Jay.
1, 2, 3.
Like that.
And this is the
Wings of the plane.
and where are the
Oh yeah.
and,
What else?
and we have this only these two are actually.
The main body of the plane, isn't it?
So
Where we have got one book also, no?
yeah, we have got one book.
Manual. Show it.
And we have these.
Yes.
Where is that sticker?
Okay, in that they have given the instruction. Can you show it into the camera, Zayan?
Like this one.
Oh, these are the parts, the details they have given. Yes.
And this is
Okay, this is how the plane is going to look, and you have to assemble them.
yeah, and this is the one more book. This is another one.
Okay, we have got some,
Stickers.
yes,
Yeah.
figures also.
And these are the
Figure
stickers
ring.
we have got.
Yes, that you have to stick in the planes after you assemble them. Okay.
Yeah, but I don't know. It's just one thing. I just don't.
Okay. Why? You will play with them? Fine. Show me the boxes, that bags which we have got, sets. Which is the number 1? Number 1. Show it into the camera slowly. This is number 1.
This is 2.
Okay. Show it into the camera, Jai.
This is 2.
Okay.
And that's the one. This is number 3.
Okay.
This is number. This doesn't have any number.
Okay, fine.
And we only have 6.
Then where is the 5th one?
It must be inside only.
Okay.
There are many here.
Okay.
This must be number
4 or 5, yes.
this
In-
one is number 5.
Yeah.
Alright, and where is this? Number 4.
Show it into the camera, Zayan.
Number 4.
All these are small Lego pieces which we have to
Assemble.
and make a big passenger plane.
Yeah. But then also it's a small one.
So let's show the box from close.
Yeah, see.
A close look at the box. See? This is how it is going to look.
Yeah. And this is how it's gonna look.
Correct. They've given pilot, co-pilots, some passengers. And this is actually after assembling, all these things will be there in the set. Okay, there's a luggage carrier also.
Yeah.
A whole airport set it is.
Yeah. And I showed you these parts, right?
Yeah.
And you know,
Yes.
they actually by mistake they have given this.
Okay.
See? It's not given. By mistake they gave it.
You got an extra piece?
Yeah. Where's that the other blue one? Maybe that.
Yes. So in the box it is mentioned that it is 7 plus. But even the small child can also play with this. Isn't it, Jay?
Yeah.
So now after this we are going to fix it.
Yeah.
Yes. And then we'll have a final look of it.
Yeah.
Now you start collecting. Open that book, Jay. That one.
This one.
Huh? One by one. So guys, stay tuned till we make this plane and play with it. Okay?
Stay tuned. So four.
And how happy are you, Jai?
I'm very excited because I really wanted it.
And you should thank whom?
Yeah, I have thanked Allah before I got it only.
You have sorted all these parts, right, Jai?
Yes.
Now what are you doing? Fixing the
Glass.
on the windows. Okay. Show us from the close. Look how your glasses are looking.
Yeah.
Yes.
And from back you can see it's big.
Can you show us by fixing ones?
Look. Like here are these. Now here's one of this. And then I
Window panel, yes.
and click. Done.
Right. Making the and after making the
I'm
figurines.
making the next figurine.
Which one? Have you made that? Oh yes, it's a pilot, I guess.
And
Okay.
this is the first pilot.
Okay. Carry on.
First one car you can see right here.
Yes, Ayan is making this car.
And
I'm
now
out
we
to.
have the figurine
It's all.
here.
He has made all the pilots and the passengers. Isn't it, Jai? And look how messy it is. Actually, we have sorted out all the parts. Ayan has sorted the parts by color. So it is.
These are the people.
His whole playroom is filled with Legos. Yeah, Rajay?
Yeah.
But are you enjoying? Then he took a break also. He slept for some time. Again in the evening, he has again started. Yes, we are on project.
Yeah.
Aris, complete, Jay?
Yeah.
This
And
is
now,
the okay.
and now she's going inside.
The passengers. The door can open. How nice it is, eh?
Yeah.
Close the door.
Mm.
Ting, ting, ting.
Ding ding.
This is the bus that they use to carry passengers.
Ready?
Yes. Show that one, blue one from
And
here.
now here is the next one.
And the
push.
girl is also sitting inside it.
Yeah, and what is push?
Very nice one.
And
And it goes also, no, Jai?
yeah, like
This was the first step. Which two parts we need, Jai? I
red.
think this one. Look, this. And one red. And the red one.
Zoom, zoom.
First step is over.
I can't find it.
Second day, isn't it, Jai?
Yeah.
Still our Lego project is going on. We have made all the small vehicles. Now we are working on the plane. Say hello to everyone.
Hello, Ben.
This is the plane. Where is the business class, Jai? Yeah. Zayan is almost completed. He's little not well, but isn't it, Jai? Put set is finally ready. This is the final look. This is the final look of the set. They have given every detail in this set. Even washroom and other things are also there. I'll show you by after opening it. This is the washroom with the door also. The door also we can open here. Here. And in the cockpit. Cockpit also they have given. In which the pilots can sit, the dashboard, everything is given. It's a very nice set.